Hey guys, Jose here. Want to do a quick video. You guys have seen the Fatboy before, but I wanted to do a video on what it sounds like before. I'm about to get the S&S 475 cam installed, and so I just want to do a idle video what it sounds like now. And yeah, so I'm doing this on my GoPro Hero 7. I got that for Christmas, and I'm going to be doing some moto vlogs as well, so this is the start of it. So there's the 2018 Fatboy. We've got the Supertrapp 2-in-1 with the side exit. It's called the Bootlegger. Other little things have changed. I've put the mustache engine guard on there, and that's pretty much it. Upgraded the seats, so that is new as well, but nothing else has really changed since my last video. So yeah, that's what's up. So I'm gonna start it up. It will be a cold start. Hasn't been started today, so here we go. So there you go. So the next video will be with the cam installed and the tune, and it should sound different and definitely pick up a little bit of power, so stay tuned. Alright guys, I got my bike back from Killer Creek Harley Davidson. Do a video so you can see what it sounds like, but we did the 475 S&S cam, 475C S&S cam. Did the adjustable push rods, 109 stock with 93 foot-pounds of torque, and then after the cam 121 horsepower with 113 foot-pounds of torque. So nice little gain. They said, I haven't ridden it yet, it's actually raining, but they said second gear is really awesome on it. So let's go do a little sound check. Had a ton of people ask about what's going to sound like, and I've watched a ton of YouTube videos to try to get an idea, and from the videos I could tell they're pretty awesome sounding. So here we go. go. Sounds massively awesome. That's what a Harley should sound like, and definitely an improvement on the Milwaukee sound. So, well, can't wait for it to dry up so we can take it for a spin. Alright, catch y'all later.